Hello everyone. Shay's Creations here. And this face you see right now didn't look like this about an hour ago. Anyway, I just checked my account and I don't know how long this package was at this door, but I was knocked out. I went outside, everything. And now I want to see. Now I have to tell you, I've designed a few shirts and I don't remember what they are because when you do so many other things. So I'm like, it's like a Christmas gift or a birthday gift that you see for yourself. So, oh, this is quite a few shirts. And Beverly, I sent your shirts. What the hell is this? I can't even see it. But whatever it is, it's a large. I love how they wrap them. Oh, this is the one that I wish I had not ordered. I actually put the order through and then I went to cancel it, but because it was a personalization, they wouldn't. I'm not sure if I want to show that one. Let's see what this one is. This is different. I can't see what this one is, but it's a size medium. Oh man, it's the same shirt. I don't even want to open it up to look at it. It's still folded, but it's the same shirt. Okay, let me see what this one is now. They all might be the same because yeah, I think they're all the same. Yeah, I think they're all the same. But they're two of them look different. Two of them look, I can't really tell, but the placement on the shirt is different. So they might be different. I don't care. I don't like the shirt. I'm not really sure I like it. Oh! I like it. I didn't remember what it was. This is my shirt. Oh, I like it. And I like the white. It looks so nice. I didn't have another white shirt. I like it. Oh my goodness, the shirt is so soft. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is end domestic violence. So I'm loving this shirt. But let's do the nice thing and put it back in the bag. I'm gonna hang it up because I'm gonna put it on eBay. Okay, two different shirts, so it wasn't the same. Let's check this one out. Okay, you have so much to offer. Keep going. I don't like the shirt, but I noticed a mistake in the detailing on the computer. I just couldn't fix it. And I wondered when I couldn't fix it if they would fix it, and they didn't fix it. So it is okay. It is okay. And that's my shirt. So, and what I'm talking about is this line right here. This line right here. I didn't want that line here. I wanted it to be clean, like here and here. But I was having issues with my hand that day, and I couldn't change it. So I'm going to it's been 2 days where I haven't taken that medicine, and it's still in my system, boys and girls. But I don't want to go there. I'm trying to fix myself and realize that this is just what it is. But I actually like the shirts. They could be worse, and I have to focus on the good, not the bad. But I have to take a little walnut. I didn't take my walnuts today. Boys and girl, oh, it is horrible. Horrible. I have 2 windows open. I don't know. 2 windows open, but I'm gonna look for this faithful envelope real quick while y'all sit here and see me struggle. Now, can y'all imagine if I had hair on right in my head right now? Oh my goodness, I get tired of having this situation, and I surely don't want to. So my video every time I record, but freak, oh, good Lord, have mercy. I was in here today, and I took off my clothes and I was walking around. I didn't feel comfortable. I said, a fire could break out, emergency. I just have to run. I can't jump out that window. That's not that's not even an option. 12th floor. So I have to stay with clothes on. I kid you not. There's sometimes you just want to, walk around and be cool. But to be truthful, there's no cool in here. Absolutely not. And I absolutely had them lower my heat last year, so I can't really complain. They did lower it down, but it feels like it's like 80 degrees in here. Oh my freaking goodness. But it is what it is. I don't know. I think I got like maybe three of each shirt, and I surely wish they could have used a little discretion to take that edge off. Matter of fact, I didn't want to leave a negative review, but I may have to say, you should use your discretion to raise up the image, especially if it fits better. This one is the domestic violence shirt in large, and this one is in white, and that one is in black. So I should see what the black one looks like. I don't really want to open them. I want to preserve the bags while I can, but I don't want to store the bags and add myself, junk. That's not it's beneficial. So this one is on a black shirt, and for some reason I think, oh yeah, the other one, that one's on a black shirt, and I like it on both. But I'm gonna have to leave this one out because I'm gonna put that one on the computer as well. Now this one is white, so I don't have to open up that one, and this one is white in this version, and this one is white in this version, and I think I like it. Yeah, I like it on both. Oh wow, look at that. And you can't see it on the white, but if you look at it close up, you can see that it's definitely there. So the white shirt is the better shirt. The white one is the better shirt for me. I like the white one because goodness gracious, and they seem to run large. I'm not sure. I think this one right here I'm wearing is a medium, and they seem to run large. So I kind of like that because of the overweight epidemic that the United States has. But this is definitely, and I like that it's 100% cotton. Although I'm not sure, but if I was reading correctly, where it said that cotton holds in heat or something like that, but I don't think so, because right here I'm a little cool and everything. So maybe it was polyester. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Time for another walnut. So I may have about 2 more deliveries, and then I'm just gonna leave it at that. But I had to get out of my bed today, which was about an hour ago. I was watching Tubi and sleeping, and today was almost the worst day of all of my eternity. But I'm doing bracelets today, and I'm listing them on Facebook. So I did 2 of them already, and I'm going to take the rest of the evening to do some chatting in some groups. I just turned the TV on. I'm going to try to find something that I can listen to distract me while I do my bracelets, and just let that be my day. I made some beautiful fried chicken. Oh my goodness, I really need to be selling this chicken, boys and girls. And not only that, I looked in my deep freezer because In my front freezer, I have finished the bag because I buy the wingettes, the little drumettes or whatever, and I finished that bag yesterday. So I went in my deep freezer and went digging around. And why did I go to a store? I think it's called ShopRite. Um, I'm almost positive it's ShopRite. And they had this massive bag of wings for like $22. So I went down in my deep freezer and pulled the whole bag out. Why was there no freezer burn whatsoever on that chicken? Now I'm gonna tell you the truth. If it was, I would have still fried my chicken. I would have still fried my chicken. Now before, the old me would have thrown it out. Now the new me, freezer burn. Hello, we're eating you. Unless I get like I'm eating my damn chicken, boy. Times are hard, but times are hard when it comes to food. But I was I was sitting here and I I was thinking of putting my two chairs together so I can, have something else to do. But I said, no, I may not have much to do tomorrow. I did do my only little load of laundry today. So I said, I will leave the two chairs for tomorrow. The ottoman I put together yesterday is beautiful, but I just moved it over to the side and I said, I'll leave myself something to do tomorrow. The blessing is it is the weekend and my phone has not rang all day. Now, my cell phone rang and the person is blocked. So that was a blessing because I didn't have to worry about answering that. And then today I had to block someone else because I just need right now to be mind free and stuff like that. So, and I plan on keeping the person on block, but they didn't do anything to me. There's no anger, no malice, or nothing like that. It's just that I can't right now be in the state of giving and pouring when my cup is on the bottom. And when I say the bottom, it's dripping, it's broke, it's cracked. Dripping, broke, and cracked. I think that's my new shirt. Dripping, broke, and cracked. Absolutely. But I joined two depression groups today and one bipolar group today. So I had a little bit of relief being of in like-minded company, if you say. And I'm gonna probably jump out of those groups after a while because I don't want to stay in that zone. But for right now, I'm just going to possibly do like some more bracelets and put them on Facebook, and I don't know what it is. I met someone on Facebook. She friended me, messaged me, whatever the case may be, and she makes bracelets. So I felt as if I had a buddy, like a friend, like we sitting at a table together doing something. So I said, you know what? If I have to make those things give me a little joy to take me away from what's really bothering me, then that's what I'm going to do. And she's so nice. I went to her page and her bracelets are beautiful and everything. The good thing is we don't have no style of the same type. So I don't mind sharing and liking and all the other stuff. So, because I do notice that when I'm in groups with people, we do bracelets and stuff like that, and there's some people that will, just like it and they won't comment, they won't have any interaction with you. So, as long as someone and I are not doing the same thing, the same thing could be bracelets but not the same materials and stuff like that. And that's one of the reasons why I do the best I can never to ask anyone where they got their stuff at, because first of all, I'm going to a wholesaler to get mine. So I did say that I may have to do bracelets more often through the year, so I may have to jump on my bracelet channel. I did get one more subscriber on my bracelet channel, but I don't do my bracelets. But matter of fact, tonight I'm going to do a bracelet video, because if I do not do a video on my bracelet channel for 12 months, they remove the access to rating me or giving me whatever credit for those videos. So I think tonight I will do a video on my bracelet channel. So Beverly, you'll get to see that, and then it start because it says that whatever the meter is from the year to the year, it starts every time you put up another video. So the good thing is my food video, I may pause for a little while. I will not be pausing it where it won't be seen, but I'm trying to distance myself for a while and do some things to help my mood. But maybe the bracelets will have to be, and then if I have to figure out a space in here to do greeting cards again to help me with my mood, I'll just make another channel, and then I will not have that on my multi-purpose channel. But I do have a one of those little category things, so I don't know. But the bottom line is there is zero interest in greeting cards right now, at least for me on my channel. But today on Facebook, there was a reminder, a 5-year reminder, and I was really happy to see the cards that I made. So I did turn around and put it back up there. So it was nice. And then one of my friends locally, I put up a bracelet and she commented, but I kind of feel a little sad because she reached out to me twice already and I haven't said anything, but I am almost positive she knows that right now I'm not in that space. But I did purchase her something and I didn't get to take it to her. And today I was going to go that way, but I just don't want to be around anyone. I want to just be by myself and do what I have to do to take care of myself. So thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I shall see you soon. Have a good day. And don't forget that I love you all. Bye-bye.